Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with the first actionable steps. Clarify one measurable objective and run a quick baseline assessment so you know where learners start. Once done, hand out a single practical tool, a checklist or template that they will use immediately. Make sure to limit scope so momentum builds fast. Do not add optional modules yet. You will see faster progress when the first step produces a visible result within the first session. You move into the complex middle by structuring deliberate practice cycles that last 15 to 30 minutes. These are where skill consolidates. During each cycle, provide specific corrective feedback within 1 minute so errors are corrected before they become habits. Once learners complete a cycle, increase challenge by about 10% and repeat. This progressive overload keeps growth steady. Make sure to interleave retrieval and application, because practicing in context improves transfer far better than passive review. You close by validating competence with a final applied assessment under realistic conditions so you can confirm the objective was met. Once done, have each learner document 3 concrete improvement actions and schedule a short follow-up within 7 days to sustain gains. If progress stalls, isolate one bottleneck, often a single misunderstood step, and run a focused microdrill until performance reliably improves. Make sure to track that correction so the same issue does not recur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.